Rosie pulled the fire alarm at the mall/grounded.
I am going to pull the fire alarm system. Ha 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 ha. Let's get out of here.
Oh no. The elevator wasn't working. I was carrying the cart to drop off the item that I don't need. I will call the police and the fire department to find out who it is.
Apparently, the fire department checked the security cameras to find out who pulled the fire alarm at the mall. A few seconds later, the police found out it was Rosie Anderson. She was lucky that she didn't get arrested. The mall security told the customer that was a false alarm. Let's see what happened next.
Rosie. How dare you pull the fire alarm at the mall? You are lucky that you didn't go to jail. That's it. You are grounded until Good Friday. Go to your room now.